A few days ago, JOYROOM has released two new products in the Philippines. One of them is this, the JOYROOM D-QP181. It is a power bank, and according to JOYROOM and Digital Walker, it is a safe power bank. And I will tell you guys in a bit why. Hi, this is Peter of GIZGUIDEPH, and this is the JOYROOM D-QP181 power bank unboxing. First things first, the packaging. Here you can see that it is showing the design of the power bank itself along with its model number here and the key features of the power bank. It says here that it is using a ceramic diaphragm battery, so it is a high resistance type of battery that can survive temperature of around 100 degrees. Oh, that's impressive, huh? And it is saying here as well that it has a high safety factor, so we will find out more about that in a bit. And it also says that it has 600 battery cycles, LED light shows, and a two-way PD fast charge. Basically, it has a maximum output of 18 watts, and then you get two USB 18 watts output, 10,000 mAh, 18 watts fast charge power bank. At the back, some of the features are here as well. So it has this direct boarding, so compliant with airborne standards. So for those who travels a lot, this could be a power bank that can make you pass the immigration really fast, because it has compliance to aircraft safety standards, and then it has a fire rating. Wow, I think this is one of the few power banks that has this feature. This is actually the first power bank that I will unbox that has fire rating BO. So it has a fireproof casing material and overpower protection. Overpower protection is not new, but I'm glad that it is here. So here are the rest of the charging features. So it has a lot of fast charging support. It only weighs 195 grams. So here are the other details. At the bottom of the box, it is showing the type of battery that it is using, the capacity that we mentioned earlier, and the different output. So it has adaptive charging, so you don't really have to worry about it too much. You can charge most of the devices here, most of phones, maybe other gadgets as well. And of course, as I mentioned, it is saying here that it only weighs 195 grams and it measures at 136 by 74.5 by 17 millimeter. And that is just about a size of a normal smartphone with a bit more thickness. That's understandable because this is a power bank. Now, let's proceed to the unboxing. I also forgot to mention earlier that it is saying here that it is priced at 1,990 pesos. But upon checking Digital Walker's website, it is currently on sale for 1,490 only. The 1,490 price tag, maybe this is an introductory price. So to those who will buy this power bank now, you can get it for 1,490 instead of 1,990, and that's a nice deal. Now let's unbox it. Here it has this plastic thing here. All you need to do is rip it off, remove it, and then there you go. As you can see the box already. And then next is, oh, nice packaging. So this is the explainer of the new ceramic diaphragm battery technology. So there you go. So this performance is safer. This battery will have a safer performance compared to traditional power banks according to this manual. And now let's lift this thing at the bottom. There you go, so that we can see the power bank already. And then here, nice. Okay, Okay, I will rip off the box already. I won't be so careful with it anymore. So there you go. This is the power bank. So this is everything that's inside the box. Of course, you get the power bank itself. Oh, the build is nice. And then you get a cable here. Interestingly, the free cable is micro USB, not USB Type-C. And you get the manual. The manual is here. It's a pretty decent manual. The usual manual. If you care to read this, just skip it. So this is it. This is the power bank itself. I'll describe what I can see here. I like that it has this matte like paint finish. I believe that this won't be prone to scratches that much. It has nice slimness as well. It's not thick. This is a smartphone. This is the OnePlus 7 Pro, and it is just a bit thicker than the OnePlus 7 Pro, and the size is smaller. It's even smaller than a smartphone. So I believe this is a nice type of power bank. So here at the back we can see that it has this USB 1 output, and then you get this input here, and then the USB 2. So basically it has three ports, correct. So basically it has 3 ports. This one has 18 watt support, this one has 18 watt support, and this is the input port. That's a bit weird, because I think this is USB-C. Yeah, it's USB-C. So this won't fit. This won't fit here. And there you go. So it has another port here where you can charge it. Yeah, but it says here that it has support for input. So maybe it will be better if you have a USB Type-C cable for faster charging speeds. And then here again the specs, the safety information, and it says here that this is made in China, in Dongguan, that's near Shenzhen. And then you get this LED indicator here. The build is very nice. It's super nice actually, and I like it. Now let's test if it can really charge my devices. Since it don't have a USB Type-C cable, I got my own. So this is my Type-C cable, and then I will plug it here and then check the battery level. So it has, I think, 5000 mAh for now. So now here, let's do this. So most likely, yes, it can charge my dead bat OnePlus 7 Pro. So that's nice to know, but of course it won't be as fast as the warp charge, 30 watts warp charge of OnePlus, but 18 watts is faster than most power banks in the market. Normally power banks only has 5 volts 1 amp of charging, or 5 volts 2 amps of charging, or around 10 watts, 5 watts and 10 watts. This has 18 watts, so expect faster charging speeds. Maybe if you have a phone that has 4000 milliamperes of battery, my estimate is it can charge it for around 90 minutes or maybe 100 minutes. That's not actually so bad. It's not really the fastest again, but that's not bad. So what this power bank can do is, since it has 10,000 mAh battery, it can charge the OnePlus 7 Pro for more than 2 times. Imagine a power bank this small can charge a 4000 mAh phone for 2.5 times. And if you have a device with even smaller battery like this Oppo True Wireless earphones, I think this only has around 400 mAh battery. So just do the math. You can charge it for a lot of times using this power bank once it is full charge. My quick thoughts: this power bank is promising. I like the design, I like the build, I like that it has 10,000 mAh of juice, and I like that it has a very slim profile, a lot of ports. It has 4 ports in total, so you get 2 ports that you can use for USB-A devices, traditional USB-A devices, and then you get this USB-C port here as well. Maybe if you have some cable like this, you can just use USB-C. So the caveat here is, why did they include an older type of micro USB cable? This one is not that needed nowadays. Micro USB is slow. It is low compared to USB-C. USB-C is the new standard nowadays. That's my only gripe so far. It's a very, very minor gripe, but I like that it has this safety features for against overheating, and then it is fireproof. I have no way to test if this is really fireproof, but I believe what JOYROOM is saying, because JOYROOM is one of the most reputable Chinese accessories brands, and I believe they won't say that, and I believe they won't say those things if it is not true. I like that it has a new battery. That type of battery, I believe it can last longer. It has longer life than traditional lithium-ion batteries as well. Overall, this power bank is a must consider. I will recommend it to those who travel a lot, who needs a power bank that is this small and with great design, a lot of charging ports, pretty fast charging at 18 watts. That's not bad. At least you have this emergency power with you, and that safety feature that they said, and that's it. This is one of the safest power banks in the market right now, and it is priced at just 1,490 pesos. Yes, there are power banks that are cheaper than this. I know that you can get 20,000 mAh with the same fast charging technology for maybe even less. I already saw a few of them at Lazada and Shopee. Maybe you get those quick charge 3.0 power banks with 20,000 mAh for 9,990, but not all of them has the fireproof rating of JOYROOM and its ability to withstand up to 100 degree of heat, and that's the key selling point of this device. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Adios. Bye-bye.